Oh my
God,
dude. What?
What's up guys, it's Yappy. Today we're gonna be scuba diving and searching at the bottom of the river for any stolen valuables that could have been potentially thrown off the bridge behind me. Let me show you the gear that we're gonna be using, and this is how we got here.
I don't know.
I don't know.
All right, bro. Don't come up until you have a gun.
Yes, sir.
Another horseshoe. Another one. Two horseshoes. What is this? Oh my God! What is this? Oh God! Oh my God! That is so cool! No way! Where else is in one? Oh, that's it. A little dog. Oh! Oh, there's nothing in it. Let's see it out. That is so cool. Shotgun shell. That's a sucker!
All right, just got out of the water. Obviously you guys have seen what's in this lockbox, but Britain and Houston have not. So I'm gonna wait a second, show you guys all the rest of the stuff that's in the bag, and then show you what's in the box. Ooh, what do you think's in there, bro? All right, first we got Dr. Pepper bottle.
There you go, that's kind of cool.
Couldn't leave Coca-Cola out, so I found one of those too. There's actually a bunch of those down there. Found not one, not two, but 3 horseshoes, I think. These horseshoes?
Yeah. Oh no, those are not. Those are like railroad something.
Yeah, they're definitely horseshoes. Anyways. Railroad spikes.
Whatever they are.
Found a cool little bottle. Never seen one like that, so I picked it up. Usually I don't pick up stuff like that. 1 playing card. A shotgun bullet. That is all that's in the bag. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. Ready?
Yeah. You're hyping it up.
What?
Oh snap.
No way, are you serious?
Dude.
What?
Isn't that
Oh
cool?
my gosh, what does it have on it?
I don't know.
Dude, that's crazy. Is that silver?
That one says Merry Christmas.
That could be gold, dude. Is that gold?
That could be.
No, it's sterling. Look, sterling on that one. It's silver. This
So
whole
it
thing
is
is
my
silver.
paycheck.
Oh my gosh.
This is a happy birthday. Is this like a Pandora bracelet? And this is like a little lock box.
a little
Another
locket
little box. A box in
you
a
need
box.
to go where you found this. There's probably like more jewelry around
Dude,
it.
you can make a wish now on that
Isn't that cool?
lockbox.
That is cool.
So,
Man, find of the
One.
day right there.
one
That's
cool
sweet.
find. We're obviously searching for guns under these bridges, but it's always cool to run up on this stuff. So we dove the back half of the bridge, the first dive. This dive, we're gonna go to the top of the bridge, the front of the bridge, dive in. Hopefully we can find some cool stuff, potentially a gun, but we're gonna clean out the river, pick out anything that's cool from the bottom of the river, and hopefully we can find something good. Here we go.
Oh, there you go.
We got a fisher rod. Ah! That was like 2 seconds. Pretty cool find. All right, I'm diving back in.
Oh, it's fish here. Got a shot right there. Oh my God. I found a safe. Yeah! North!
We did it, baby. Yeah, I gotta get a new tank. Oh yeah. Bro. We found a safe and a watch came out of it
Oh, snap.
while I was digging it out.
Oh my
I
God.
spent that whole time I was down there, I've been working on getting that thing out. I saw you popped up.
Yeah.
I was like, wait, where's this light coming from? You popped up, and then he disappeared, and then he popped up. So now we're gonna switch out tanks, come back here, and I'm gonna show you this ATM on land. We're gonna get it
out. We're gonna get it out.
Dude, let's go.
Oh
That's
my
so
God.
sick.
Yeah, this could be really big. Really
There's like $100,000 in it.
or like diamond. Dude, there's no. Drop a comment below what you think is gonna be in this safe. I hope it's something good. Woo! Bangers! Dude, I'm so stoked right now. Not stoked. Jamie, if you're watching this, I'm not stoked. I'm psyched. We're all geared up. We got 3 guys in the water. We're gonna try to lift it up with our BCs in the air that's in our tanks. But if not, we're just gonna have to drag it about 50 to 75 yards underwater. So I'm excited to get this thing on land and see exactly what's inside. This is exciting. It's probably one of the best finds of 2020, 2018, 19. This is one of my best finds for sure, if there's something in there. So let's go get it. Y'all boys ready?
Yes, let's go.
We got some work.
Look at how far we are. Right in between them.
It was right there. See that stick sticking out?
Yeah.
Right under that.
Dude, what the heck?
Got it, baby! Oh, God.
Oh my gosh.
There's the front. Look at the latch.
Oh my
You want to go?
dude. What?
Holy smokes.
Look at that.
Holy cow. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Moment of truth, Tristan.
Oh, what the heck? What, dude, there's
What's
stuff
in there?
here.
What's in there? There's another box.
Yeah, there's a box.
There's another box in there.
Oh my gosh. What in the world? Bro, you might have hit the jackpot.
Oh my gosh.
my
What is
gosh.
that?
Bro,
Oh my gosh.
Crazy.
what is going on right now?
Dude, this is insane. Oh, we got bust it open.
Is there stuff in there?
Oh
No.
my gosh. Listen.
No way. Oh my gosh, dude. There's so inside. That is so awesome.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Keep all this stuff on there.
We need water.
Alright.
Hold on, there's another tray.
Yeah, we need to be careful.
Don't let anything
Oh.
like fall out.
Dude, that is so cool. Is there anything in there?
Was that
What is
keys?
that? Oh, look, somebody's keys.
What is that?
Dude, there's keys.
Dude, this
See if
is.
those keys fit this
Look at those
box.
keys.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
dude.
wait, see if the keys fit
The freaking box!
Dude, there's a box.
Wait,
No way,
you
dude,
can
it goes
unlock
in
the box!
Unlock the box with the keys.
No.
Unlock the box with the keys.
no.
Oh my god.
Bro, there's so many
No
now.
way.
Dude,
Ridiculous.
this is crazy.
You know, and
Does it? Is that really the key? Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
snap, pull it out.
Hold on.
It's open.
It's open. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I will.
No. No.
Is it really?
No. No.
Wait, hold on, what is that?
I don't know. Are you kidding me? No. No. Exactly.
Hold on, wait.
6 cents. Why though? Why would they lock that?
Hold on, hold
So
on.
mean.
You still have a whole safe. There could be stuff in there.
The fact that this safe had to be stolen, someone definitely broke into it. There was another box in there with a ton of keys. Man, if there was something in that box,
That would have been unbelievable.
Well, one watch did come out when we were in underwater.
Yeah, I got the band in the bag right here.
So one cool thing that came out of the safe, we didn't get the full watch, but this is 2 different types of watches, the bands. And I guess it's a good type of metal because it's been under there a while and nothing's messed up. So 2 watch bands. There could be potentially a watch head still there, but who knows. Still really, really cool. Obviously there was nothing too crazy that we found in the actual safe, but there happens to be a safe that matches this one. This one would be on the top of the safe. So I think we need to call the cops, see if this was involved in any crime or anything like that. There are key cards that could match up to a potential investigation, I don't know. So I think it'd be best to call the cops, let them know if they want to come and get it, check it out. They are more than welcome to, but hopefully we'll be able to call and help in any way. All right, here it goes. We're gonna call the non-emergency number. What bridge?
293.
Hello, we're diving at Bridge 293, the Etowah River, and found a stolen safe. We're just gonna report it to you guys if you guys wanna come and check it out. If not, I'll let you know where the location of the safe is. Just trying to help out in any way.
And are you on Highway 293 right now?
We're under the bridge right now.
Is it closer to Pegamon or?
Yes, take a minute.
Yes.
Is it out of the water now?
Yes, ma'am, it's out of the water.
Okay.
We did all the hard work for you guys.
All right, we'll get them out there for you, okay?
Thank you, sir. Ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. God. I get nervous.
Golden.
Oh my gosh. So we just got off the phone with the cops. Very nice lady. And they're gonna go check out the safe and see if it was involved with anything. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Motel, maybe? Does it have serial numbers in there?
There's some right there. Maybe?
Investigation, see what they're gonna do with it.
Okay. He said he's gonna call investigation, see what they want to do with it. Nothing inside, so. Can I touch your badge?
Sure. It's nice, isn't it?
That's nice. This is actually one of our buddies.
That's official.
Hey, I just want to say, good game.
Oh.
I'm about to get arrested. I'm about to get arrested.
No. No, we're on the bridge under 293. You're going in the water.
The freaking hour and a half that it took to get this safe out has been incredible. I know we didn't find anything too crazy. A few like key cards, some actual keys. The little box or little safe box that was actually in the safe had nothing in it but 6 cents. But still an amazing find, an amazing journey from taking this from the bottom of the river, buried completely in the bottom of the river, to bringing it to the surface. It's really cool to kind of see. And someone threw this off the bridge in hopes that it would never be found again, and we found it.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Make sure you leave this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comment section below. If you want to see us coming and diving some more bridges in hopes to find weapons or maybe another safe or something cool at the bottom of the river, let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, the channel is back up. We're posting bangers, finding some amazing stuff, and going on some crazy adventures, so stay tuned to the channel. Let Houston know in the comment section below or DM him what your favorite part of today's video was. The different style of editing or how he put the story together. It's been amazing having him on the team, and there's no telling what we're gonna be able to do next with him helping out. So also make sure you check out Britton's channel on his side of today's video. And of course, exploring with Nug right here. We would not have been able to get this safe out of the water without these two guys coming up and helping me. Today has been amazing, and that's pretty much it. Love you guys, and as always, boop.